tangent of pi over 3 is sine over cosine of pi over 3. Yeah, I think we just discovered the source of your problem. The sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2, and the cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. And so if we keep it, change it, flip it, we get square root of 3. That's also the tangent 3 trick, right? If there's 1, 3 in the angle, there's 1, 3 in the tangent of the angle. It's kind of a fluke that it works out that way, but it's an easy way to remember it. And then to fix this one, we'd multiply by the conjugate. So 1 minus square root of 3. So FOIL the top first. Outside and inside are going to combine to make 2 root 3. Trying to save space here. And the last would be plus 3. In the bottom, first is 1. Outside and inside cancel, always, when you multiply by a conjugate. That's why we multiply by the conjugate. Make the O and the I of FOIL cancel out. And then root 3 times negative root 3 is negative 3. So I've got 4 minus 2 root 3 all over negative 2. Make sure we divide both of them by negative 2. Don't just, cancel the negative 2s or only divide one of them. Divide them both by negative 2. So negative 2 plus square root of 3 would be A. What was the second question? Uh-oh, that might have been the same problem if you messed up what tangent of pi over 3 is. Find the exact value of tangent of pi over 12. We're going to have to subtract to get there. So 4/12 minus 3/12 would work. So that's pi over 3 minus pi over 4. Yeah, I don't mind doing tangent problems because they're harder. It's also 3/12 minus 2/12, but that would be pi over 6, and as best we can, we would love to avoid pi over 6, just because the algebra is awful. So tangent of the first one minus tangent of the second one over 1 plus tangent of the first one times tangent of the second one. Again, I'm just looking at my formula that will be given, so don't worry about memorizing formulas. Root 3 minus 1 over 1 plus root 3. Multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So let's see, first, outside, inside, last. And again, I hope you can FOIL that quick or close to that quick. You don't want to get bogged down in 7th and 8th grade math stuff. In the bottom, we'll FOIL. First, I'm not going to write outside and inside because I know they're going to cancel. And then last will be minus 3. So the top has 2 root 3 minus 4 over negative 2. Again, make sure you divide everybody by negative 2. So negative root 3 plus 2. I don't have an answer that looks exactly like that, but I need the root 3 to be negative and the 2 to be positive, so that would be answer choice D. Is it always going to be divided by 2? If you avoid the pi over 6, then the tangent problems will always be divided by 2. Again, if you get pi over 6 in there, then somewhere in your problem you're going to have root 3 over 3 as part of the as part of your answer. And then you're going to have to multiply top and bottom by 3 to clear it out. And it just makes a mess. It can be done, and that's how you fix it, but that adds an extra step. So take the time as best you can to avoid pi over 6 for tangents. All right, we did 2 tangent problems. Do we need to do a sine or a cosine problem? Fine if we don't, because today we use the same formulas in a different context.